County's prosecuting attorney threatening legal action against Bethel Heights city officials after residents say contaminated water is flowing into their yards. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Peñate.
And I'm Chad Mira. Thanks for joining us tonight at 10. KNWA's Kelly O'Neill in Bethel Heights to show us the charges the mayor could face and how residents are reacting to the letter.
I think it's about time.
I'm tickled that they're finally doing something about the process.
Those who live nearby the Bethel Heights wastewater treatment system say they're relieved that the county prosecutor is stepping in after fecal coliform bacteria and E. coli testing showed levels were too high to count and flooding onto private residential properties.
This has been going on for 10+ years.
Benton County Prosecutor Nathan Smith says he could seek criminal charges against Mayor Cynthia Black for violating numerous health codes and state law if nothing is done to solve the problem. It's punishable of up to 5 years in prison and up to a $50,000 fine.
Hopefully today is a step in the direction of encouraging an effective resolution of this problem.
We showed up to Bethel Heights City Hall to speak to the mayor about this letter. She was in the building but not available. She gave us the contact for the city attorney. We left a message, however, they did not immediately return our call.
The people of Bethel Heights elected them to represent the best interests of the community, and for them to refuse to even engage in any conversation, I don't see that they're representing the best interest of anyone.
Mayor Cynthia Black has denied all claims of the dumping or flooding of raw sewage to any residents' property and ponds, but did send an interim plan to the ADEQ. Residents say that these flyers were also recently mailed out, encouraging people to drive by the property to, quote, see the truth.
They're trying to provoke us that we're liars or trying to prove that we're lying about it, and we're not.
Now, Smith is giving the city 30 days to come up with a specific plan on how it will fix the system to prevent runoff onto neighboring properties in 90 days to implement it.
Citizens who have a legitimate complaint that their rights have been violated, who have presented that evidence, get a fair outcome and an effective resolution of their concerns.
In Bethel Heights, Kelly O'Neill, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.